Hey everyone, Desiree here. So this is another quick tip video, how to choose the perfect size disc-bound planner for you. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, you know that I use a variety of different types and sizes of notebooks and planners. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the different size happy planners and how to choose which size is going to work best for you. Now, the happy planner comes in 3 sizes if you did not know that. You have the mini happy planner, which is this one here. You have what is considered the classic size, and then this one is called basically just the big happy planner. Now when it comes to everyday planning, I actually prefer the big size. I love the space that I get in this planner, and I love how I can decorate the pages and I still have plenty of room to write notes, journal, details about my day or about my plans and that type of thing. However, sometimes for convenience, I will choose the classic size happy planner just because this one is a lot easier to carry around if I need to. When it's opened up all the way, it doesn't take up as much space as the big one. And it seems like for a lot of people, this is the easier one to find, like if they're going to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or something. Because a lot of times people say they don't always see the big or the mini happy planners when they're out shopping. And speaking of the mini happy planner, I like to use this one only when I need to take it on the go. Right now I'm using this as an expense tracker, so every day I write all the money that I spend and all the money that I have coming in, and it works perfectly for that. This would be way too small for me for everyday planning, but it works perfectly for me just to write, a small amount of information on a daily basis. Plus, it's not that big and it's not that heavy, so I can easily carry it with me on the go. So, if you are considering using the Happy Planner and you can't decide which size is going to work best for you, again, it goes back to personal preference and what you're going to use the planner or the notebook for. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching this quick tip. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.